This isn't out just a new SUV. This is the return of the Renault Duster. Rebuilt, redesigned, and reimagined for 2026.
A stronger stance that clearly separates it from ordinary crossovers. Bigger LED lights give the Duster a bold and aggressive face. Clean lines and squared edges define its modern SUV character.
Bigger LED lights give the Duster a bold and aggressive face.
The front design now feels sharper and more premium. Clean lines and squared edges define its modern SUV character. Overall, the Duster looks wider, tougher, and more confident.
Inside, the upgrade is immediately noticeable. A fully digital instrument cluster leads the way.
The infotainment system feels modern and intuitive.
The infotainment system feels modern and intuitive.
Every control is designed around the driver. Better materials create a more premium cabin feel.
This generation brings a stronger focus on modern technology. In the city, it feels smooth and easy to handle.
On highways, it delivers confidence and comfort.
The SUV DNA is still very much alive. The 2026 Renault Duster is stronger than ever.
Would you choose this over its rivals? Comment below.